Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can choose the templates, how you can use the templates on the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get this started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the Vidnoz website. And after going there, what we have to do, we have to create account there. And after creating account, as you can see, I have opened it. Now what we need to do, simply we have to go to the template section. So we have to click on the template. And after clicking on the template, you will be able to see the different types of templates. Now, as you can see, now these all templates are provided here. You can also view these templates into categories. Like if you want the explainer templates, you will get these all explainer templates in the explainer section, and in the education ones and the business and the tutorial and how to, as you can see, these all type of templates are provided here, like the greeting, invitations, conversations. These all types of templates are provided here, as you can see. If you want the templates in the portrait mode, you have to click on the portrait. If you want the templates in the portrait mode, you can also do that. You have to click on the portrait, and after clicking on the portrait, the all portrait mode templates will be shown here. You can also view this. So as you can see, social media, festival, these all templates. If you want to go to the my templates option, you can also go there. And the landscape section, as you can see, now you will be able to see all the templates here. So in this way you can view the templates. So in this way you can view the templates on the Windows AI website, and you can use them for your need. So in this way you can view the templates on the Windows AI website. As you can see, for the I want to use this one, so you have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, it has option for the use this template or the edit as my template. You can also do that, and after that you will be able to use that. So in this way, you can use the template of the Windows AI website. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.